Hi, to scan QR codes with the help of your Vivo V40, as a first step, open camera and take a look at its upper panel. Here you would find settings which we need to open, then go in the more settings and after that scroll a bit so you can see this feature, QR code recognition. As a first step, enable it by tapping on the switcher like that and save the changes by going back. Now we need to take any piece of paper which includes QR code. I'm gonna take this from Vivo user manual which has this tiny QR code. And now simply point the camera at this QR code and you will see this yellow link which we can open and see the content of this QR code. And here it is. Let's try this one more time. So I'm gonna point the camera and yeah, we can see definitely this yellow link. So that's it how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.